Hello everyone on YouTube. I just wanted to show you this Thomas train model. Here we go. Here's his face, rear, sides, and this is what's actually underneath, body, deck. So, got some batteries right here, and that's all. Next we have this car, very hollow on the inside, and it holds the axles. If you look closely in there, it's holding the axles. Wherever it is. That's what it keeps getting. Finally, here's Annie. You can see right through her, right? There's one of those security things on the bottom. There is her face, the back, top, bottom. And there is soon to be my Tom's the Tank Engine monster truck RC model I made. Please like, comment, and subscribe.